Alright, just starting a new video. So I've got to change the jug now. I've got about a litre. So use my tap to close it. Just a little ball valve tap. It's all shark bite fittings, so it's easy to take it in and out. So changing the jug over now. And then open up the tap again. And there she comes. So I'll get my bottle. Still running at 78 degrees. 71 on the water outlet from the reflux. So the reflux condenser is doing its job. Cools it down with about 8 or 10 degrees. (89.2 on the boiler, 89.3 on the boiler. There, I already got 100 mils almost. So here's my jugs, my bottles that I'm catching, putting all marked, number 1, 2 and 3. So just got 3 bottles, 4 bottles. That's what I use to put my spirits in as I catch it. For this run I'll probably do about 5 litres of good spirits. That's out of a wash of about 40 litres. So this spirits will be averaging around 90%. So there's my first litre, all done. Currently I've got about 250 mils. I'll put this bottle on one side so I don't kick it over. So I'll change the jugs quick. Just close the tap again. Still running at about 95%. So there she's slowly dripping now. Righto, open up the tap again. And I'll just be pouring this into bottle number 2. That's 250 mils. So I'll get my bottle number 2, which is marked with the number 2 on the lid. So that's 250 mils. I'll put bottle number 2 one side. Where's bottle number 1? Oh, it's just still a nice little stream. We're running about 80, 89. Oh, sorry, no, 90, about 94, sorry. That's a 95 mark there. It's about 93 roughly. Water temperature is still 72.2, 78 on the boiler, on the reflux condenser on the column. $89.7 on the boiler. So, getting almost 200 mils. Water's still nice and cool, probably about 28 degrees roughly. So we'll do a quick test and see how warm the water is. Get our thermometer out. So that says 35 degrees on it. So the water is 33 degrees, 32. Sorry about my fingers is in the way. 32 degrees. And that's the outlet water that comes from the condenser. So we're just testing the water to see how much that is. And you can't see it, but it looks like it's 40 degrees. From 41 degrees coming from the condensers. And she just turned off. We're running a nice and steady little stream. So this is just resting in there. And it just flows into that little bowl there. That water is still flowing, the bucket's almost full. We're almost 10 minutes now. 72.8 on the water outlet, 79 the top of the column. I'll turn the heat a little bit down. Yeah, 90.3, 90.2 on a temperature probe on the top of the boiler. $79 on the top of the column where the reflux condenser is. 72.6. 72.7 on the water outlet. We got about 420, almost 424, 450 mils. And I need to empty this bucket. Should have got a bigger bucket. So it's just water, doesn't matter. So as you can see how hot that water is. It's fairly hot, steaming. Will flow nice and strong. Check the alcometer. She's running about 90, roughly about 90%. Temperature is coming a little bit down now, 78 degrees. 72 on the water outlet. 72.3, she's coming down. I don't want to boil too fast, so that's why I turn the heat down. 90.2 currently. They laid an outlet pipe for the reflux condenser. Temperature probe. That's the outlet for the vapors coming into the condensers. That's the cooling tube, the return pipe for the water back to the esky. As you can see, there's the two pipes going in. To the reflux condenser. The one is the cold in and the other one is hot water out. That lets the reflux condenser do its job and cool down the vapors that comes on top of the column. Cools it down and turns it back into water where it drips back into the boiler. So that's the pipe just running there. All cable tied. Oh, steady little stream catching the water. We've got about 650 mils now. So nice steady little stream. .6 on the water temperature coming out. There you can see I've got a brass fitting there with a probe inside it. .5, that's 77 degrees on the top of the column. And you can probably hear the boiler rattling around. Pressure cooker that's been rolled onto the cake. A little stand I made for the burner to sit on, so the boiler sit on the burner. Turbo burner, LPG gas or propane. That's the whole setup. Using a ladder, gravity feed of the water, and I've got to pull that water up So thanks for watching.